Hi guys, a short video for Hyprland, Sway and Wayfire. We've just released new ISOs for them. As we've changed so many things, it seems to conflict packages. We did try to make the dependencies right, probably messed that up. Anyway, they're new ISOs on the AAG at this point in time. So seed host, AAG, ArcoLinux, probably if you Google that, you get it, the ArcoLinux auditing group. So they're here. These guys do merit your attention. They're nice desktops, and they've completely restyled, revamped. If you've seen the last videos, there are tons of way bars that you can have now, and there is beat up there. There's lots of things have changed in only 2 weeks time. That's holiday for you, right? So there you go. It's here, and please let us know if everything is okay with it, so we can go and put it on all our resources, not just on AAG. All right. Cheers. One thing more, it should be a reflex, but it is crucial on Hyprland. You install the system, you type update, the updates come in, you'll see that there's new Hyprland update, and then you type skel, right? Many people know that, the newbies maybe not. So skel, S-K-E-L, or E-E-L, yes, right, not I-E-L. And then voila, you just reboot and everything is ready to go and test it out. All right, cheers.